lash lifting kit, and let me show you how it looks like. I just opened the box, and as you can see, there's a lot to look at. So first of all, we've got the steps, like the products that you'll have to use one by one. So let's go by the step 1. So the step 1 will be perming, so that's the first product that you should use. Step 2 is setting, step 3 is essence, step 4 is cleanser, and here we also have lash glue balm. And here we've got the lash lift tools, so it includes all lifting tools, and I'll just open this one and show you what's inside. So in this box, we've got first of all the gel eye patches, so you get 3 of them. You also get the micro pore tapes, that's how it looks like. You also get, there's actually like a few accessories, so these are silicone shields right here, and on the side here we've got comb brushes. You get 2 of them, so that's how it looks like. It comes with a beautiful small case just to keep you organized. It also comes with a magic wand, that's how it's called, so it has 2 different sizes, as you can see. And of course you get lots of combs and brushes, just for different purposes, and you get at least few of them, so I can see at least like 5 of them, just in case if you need more. Of course you're going to keep on reusing this kit all over again, so I would imagine you're going to use all of that sooner or later, so that's great that they actually included this many accessories. And something I forgot to mention, of course, you do get manual, and it's all in English with very good instructions inside. So just to tell you briefly, of course, if you're using it for the first time, here you're going to be able to see what are the steps, like step 1, step 2, etc., and what you should do and what you shouldn't do, how to prepare for the treatment. And this sort of stuff. So for example, for the eyelash lifting, you're gonna have to stick the eye pads on your eyes, then you're gonna need to use the cleanser, apply the glue to the silicone shield, apply the glue to the silicone shield again, and it just goes one by one. And also you can see the images here, of course, in case you're not sure what it says, or like you can't understand it, you can also see the image. And of course that's very helpful for somebody who's doing it for the first time. And here we've got like choose the right shield, so it also shows you what's the right shield for your eyes. Here we also have the steps for eyebrow lamination. So of course you can do the eyebrow lamination and you can do the eyelash lifting. So there are 2 ways you can use this product. So here, of course, we've got the images again. You can go one by one and just have your eyelashes, brows done at the comfort of your own home. And it's so much cheaper and so much quicker when you do it just for yourself. And of course, sometimes it's like also safer, just because you know these tools here are just yours, right? They are clean and you made them clean, so there are no chances for any infection. And of course here in the manual you also get the aftercare. So in these cases the aftercare is pretty important. Things like you should brush your lashes and brows daily. You should not touch or rub your lashes or brows immediately after treatment. Do not curl lashes and this sort of stuff, or like avoid swimming. There's just lots of little advices just to make sure your lamination and your lifting is actually going to last for longer. And it's going, of course, to be more effective. So that's about it. And so, yeah, I wish you good luck with trying this product, and I'll definitely use it on myself as well and try it out.